Welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Saturday, September 14th. We have a ridge of high pressure parked across the region for this weekend. Taking a look at the satellite imagery, you can see there's been excellent stargazing conditions overnight. And the sunny skies will continue through the day today and into Sunday with continued good stargazing conditions overnight. That ridge of high pressure will also keep temperatures quite warm for this weekend. Sunday does look to be the warmest day, with temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 80s in most lower elevation locations. Would not be surprised to see one or two locations top out at or just above 90 degrees on Sunday. We'll take a look further out into the Pacific with the satellite imagery this morning, and you can see there is a low pressure system sitting out in the Gulf of Alaska. This low pressure system is expected to deepen and shift toward the Pacific Northwest coast into Monday. That'll increase the southerly flow across the region and start to draw some moisture up through the Great Basin, through Utah, into eastern Idaho, and we're looking at some isolated thunderstorms possible for Monday afternoon and evening, generally east of Interstate 15 and close to the Wyoming border. As that low continues to shift east into the region, we'll see precipitation increase across most of East Idaho for Monday night through Tuesday night. And we'll take a quick look at the total precipitation expected for that time frame. And generally, these darker green areas are looking in the quarter to half-inch precipitation range, and most of the drier air will stay in place over the Magic Valley and into the lower Snake River Plain, where precipitation chances are much less than the rest of the area. As that low shifts in to the region, we're looking at a drastic cool down headed into Tuesday, and look at these temperatures from highs in the mid to upper 80s, possible 90 degrees on Sunday, down to the 60s for Tuesday. So that's quite a drastic drop for this time of year. We'll see temperatures rebound as we head into the latter part of the week, but there is another system expected to approach the region. There's a lot of uncertainty right now as to the track and timing of that system, so we don't want to get into too much of the details because there's not a lot of confidence heading into the latter part of the week. But keep in mind that there could be some additional precipitation chances heading into the Thursday through Saturday time frame. That'll conclude the briefing for this morning. If you have some questions, go ahead and give us a call, the number on the screen. If you have comments or feedback on the content or delivery of this briefing, please feel free to drop our webmaster an email. Thank you for joining us today.